Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing a manicure I created using the Referral Code July 2019 bag, which was sent to me for review. The two powders I'll use are number 62 Let's Take a Dip and number 63 Let's Flamingle. Since it's my first time using these products, I'm going to follow the step-by-step directions on the card they included in the bag. After washing my hands, I lightly buff the surface of all my nails. To clean the surface of all my nails, I apply a primer. You can also use alcohol or acetone. I carefully and lightly shake the jars to mix the powders. Now I'm ready to apply the base bond. I apply a thin coat on the nail and immediately dip it into the jar. Then I lightly tap my finger to remove the excess powder. I repeat this step on all the nails. I'll use the blue powder as an accent nail. Once I'm done applying the first coat on all the nails, I go back and lightly brush off the excess. Now I'm ready for the second coat. I follow the same steps on all the nails. First applying the base bond and then immediately dipping into the powder, tapping off the excess and moving on to the next nail. After applying the second coat and brushing off the excess on all the nails, I can now apply Solidify, which is the liquid that will harden all the nails. It's important to wait until it's completely dry, and they recommend between 1 and 3 minutes. Now you can buff and file the nails one more time. When I'm done filing, this is what my nails look like, and now I can wash my hands and dry them well. Then I apply the second coat of Solidify on all the nails and wait for it to dry. And once it's dry, I can apply the glossy top coat. I'll apply a thin coat on all 10 nails and then immediately go back and apply a second coat to all nails and wait for it to dry. Drying time is between 3 and 10 minutes, so I'll wait the 10 minutes to make sure that it's completely dry before I do anything else.
Look at that shine, it's gorgeous.
Here's the completed manicure. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I had a lot of fun trying out these products and I really love the results. Dip powders are so easy to use and they look beautiful and very professional. Thank you to Referral Code for this beautiful bag, and thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye!